Betrayal of trust. A Valley dental assistant accused of molesting children on the job. ABC 15's Fort Hatchett broke the story. Joins us live now near Arizona Avenue in Chandler Heights at the office where that employee worked. And Fort, even more disturbing, police don't believe this is an isolated incident.
Some incredibly disturbing details in this court paperwork we've been sorting through. Perhaps most worrisome is the fact that Chandler PD and the dentistry are allegedly told about a similar incident involving that very same employee almost 2 years ago. Investigators accuse 27-year-old Dion Garcia of taking a 6-year-old girl into an x-ray room during an appointment at Pediatric Dentistry in Chandler, where police say he told the child's parent not to come with them and then allegedly molested and took inappropriate pictures of the girl.
You're horrified and angry and frustrated and all those things. When
police were alerted, they searched Garcia's phone and say they found pictures of a 4-year-old patient who had been sedated in the office last week.
Exactly. It's just like all the videos where they show, would your kids talk to a stranger? No, they wouldn't, but yes, they do, because it's scary for kids.
Even more than that is those kids are traumatized, and they'll be for a long, long time.
According to court records, Chandler PD and Pediatric were both told of an allegation accusing Garcia of molesting a 6-year-old patient in 2022. But that investigation was ultimately closed with not enough evidence to corroborate what occurred. We followed up with Chandler PD, who told us in part, quote, "Due to the sensitive nature of the charges, we cannot comment on that aspect at this time."
And with ABC 15, we've been trying to get a hold of somebody who might be able to answer some questions for us about Dion Garcia.
The Chandler Pediatric location was closed today. Over the phone, we were told the office manager in Gilbert might be able to help, so we drove to that location, which was still seeing patients. We were told no one would comment and were then asked to leave. Garcia's cash bond was set at $500,000. He didn't say much in court, but doesn't seem to want to be behind bars for long.
How would I get in contact with the bonds company?
And Garcia allegedly told one of the parents in this case to wait outside while he took the victim into the room by herself. The state dental board told us today that parents have a right to accompany their child anywhere in the dentist's office, no matter what. In Chandler, Fort Hatchett, ABC 15, Arizona.